Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Mm, oh gosh, girl, just I get up, but I didn't feel like get up out of bed.
Songs, see this long before we did see one, yeah. No, we are comedians. I make legendary moves like Zidane. And every song when I drop high in demand, drop like the sergeant, no try this Black hero, they have it.
Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. So, girls, do a quick thing. May I forget end up mute some of the video because them are playing. So yes, guys, that is it. And I'm gonna go and make breakfast. I'm just gonna sweep out inside here and then I'll make some breakfast. So give me a few sec. I sleep with my water bottle beside my bed because I have to drink water when I wake up. I think that spread my bed and I'm gonna go and make breakfast. So this is from all angles. Just little is much when God is in it. Trust me. Thing guys, I love it. I love it. So that's the reflection of my ring light. So girl, get up and girl, spread bed, girl. Try tidy up the place as much as possible. I love the ring lights. It's these lightings. It's right around. So guys, I'll be making some oats porridge. Just like two of salt. So So guys, I'm making some oats porridge, but guess what? The memory on my other phone run out, so guess what? I have to use my husband's phone, which I'm not lie, his phone are better quality than my phone. My phone are garbage compared to my husband's phone. I know I never want him hear that. I never want him hear that or anything. I never want him know so film phone are the better quality, but so I go. I think I add some more water to this. Cause this is gonna be thick. I have my nutmeg. I'm gonna get it. I don't know how many person use this part of the nutmeg in their porridge. The outer layer, I don't know what they call this part. I like it, but I like having it in my porridge, especially if I'm making cornmeal porridge. I like it. Guys, do you know that nutmeg, if you have high blood pressure and you cut a little piece of nutmeg and you put it in your mouth and hold it there for a while, you know that it helps to bring down your pressure, right? It's worth sign and wonder. So I'm just gonna go rinse these off and pop it in the pot. Give me a minute. So guys, I'm using the vanilla lasco in it. I didn't realize that the camera was on while I was putting the rest of the ingredients. That girl attack? Wait. My husband is not really a fan of what's porridge, you know, but I am. Put a lot of sugar in it. My in it, my vanilla in it, and so Guess what, guys? If I realized that my husband had peanut here, I would have put some peanut. I would have shelled the peanut and blend the peanut with the oats and make porridge. But I don't know. I didn't realize that there was peanut here. Because we always buy peanut when we go out, you know. We ensure that we get peanut because he loves eating peanuts. I have to be careful with the peanuts. But, you know, high cholesterol and all of that stuff. So I have to be careful with the peanuts. Plus, I have sinus, so it tends to trigger off my sinus. But guys, my porridge is coming on real good. Let me see if I can keep guys a close up. See. You see that? So I'm just covering that, and then I'm just gonna be washing this cucumber and eat it. Eat it raw like that. It's good. So I'm gonna wash this cucumber. I'm not gonna peel it. I tend to eat the skin on it. I just love doing that. And be back. Give me guys. I finish with the porridge. So I'm gonna share it. You wanna be? Pass on breakfast. Before you go bed, pass on something. Sorry. Hot. It is really hot, guys. He doesn't like his porridge too thick, so I have to make it how he wants. Okay? I have to make it thin. So, you know, girl, I got shell peanut when girl finish. So guys, I'm gonna take you outside to show you my cucumber tree. So yes guys, this is a cucumber and this is a tomato tree. So it's two cucumber tree we have. B, oh, it look like a one next one this. And you can move it and like bring it up. Look. Yeah. So that's another cucumber tree. So you know we have three cucumber tree, and I'm not sure if this is a sweet pepper, you know, or what. I'm a sweet pepper this be. This look like a sweet. If it's not sweet pepper, it's hot pepper. But I know it's some pepper tree. And there's another tomato tree coming up. So yes guys, let me show you my locks. It need to finish lock up, but what I did last night was locking the ends because the ends wasn't locked, the ends was twisted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let my husband part the hair more neat and fine it. I didn't want to touch the root. I can lock my own hair, but I didn't want to touch the root because I know I'm not gonna able to part it all. It should be parted properly. So what I did, I went and locked the ends from here, like it come straight up to here. So all these was twisted, so I locked it, and I'm waiting for him to have his breakfast and then come and lock my hair. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this back on so it leave my hair lying down. Guys, this is the wig cap that I normally wear this when I'm putting on my wig, but I'm not in the mood for no wig today. I want to get my hair long, and then I don't know if I could shave my eyebrow myself, but it's a long time I haven't done it. But anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.